So hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can download Python version 12 in our system to run our algos. So firstly we have to search in any search engine as Python download, and then we have to open this website, which is www.python.org. Then I have click on this, and then you have to simply click on this button, download Python 3.12.5. So I just simply click on this. Okay, so I have download. So I just simply click on this. So now I have to use. So must check out this and click on install. And this will take some time. So Python was successfully downloaded, and now we have to simply restart our computer, and then we have to open Visual Studio for further more details I have explained in next video. So thanks for watching.